Have you ever seen construction workers perform with such top-tier skills? They are not just workers, they are artists, masters of precision and speed. From breathtaking balance acts at great heights to incredibly innovative building techniques, these workers are on a whole different level. Let's dive into the most spectacular performances in the world of construction right now. If you're impressed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more high-quality videos like this. Construction. A man is sliding on wooden planks so he can nail them down more securely and quickly as they are laid out on the roof. These two men are working together. One is pushing the wheelbarrow while the other lies on it, holding a cutting machine to trim off the excess bricks. This drone is being controlled to transport buckets of mixed concrete to the location where construction workers are building something. A man came up with the idea of securing a post in the center of a circle, tying his working machine to it, and then sitting back to rest and laugh. A man is working at an incredibly fast pace. He ties the steel as if he only needs to flick his hand and it's already done. The man is lying on the excavator bucket, moving back and forth so he can level the newly constructed area. These two people are throwing loaves of bread to stack them onto the wooden board that was placed there beforehand.
Wallahi, wallahi, wallahi. The experience keep going on.
This man is stacking perforated bricks into the prefixed metal frames to build a wall just as he envisions. These men are throwing buckets full of concrete to each other to pass them up to the workers above. These people are standing on a metal frame that has been securely attached to a car. As the car pulls them along, their weight helps flatten the ground beneath them.
Güzel oluyor.
This man hammers nails incredibly fast. Just one strike from top to bottom and another from bottom to top, and the nails are securely embedded into the pre-placed wooden planks. This man is using some type of soil or clay to coat the mold he previously created, shaping it into something that resembles a pot. The person in this clip came up with the idea of cutting a metal piece at a right angle to fit the corners of the walls, making it easier to smooth and flatten them. This person is very clever. He pours concrete into this pipe and uses a blower to push the concrete out, making it much easier to fill the gaps precisely. Even someone as precise as Hawkeye would be jealous of the man in this video. This excavator operator managed to reinstall its track all by himself without needing any help from the workers. Truly incredible. These men are truly admirable as they carry a large number of bricks using only their heads, with dust and dirt covering them all over. These workers are incredibly creative and truly admirable. Wow, these are truly incredible skills, aren't they? If you're also impressed by these amazing performances, Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more exciting videos. Thank you for watching until the end. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest content. See you in the next video. Hi.